Join Kids Hat family. The Pandemic Series, Episode 1. Lockdown Curiosity. Why are the roads so empty today? I can't see any cars or people. What's the matter? Good morning, Tia. Hey, Tofu. Good morning. Hi, Grandma. What a surprise.
Hello, my little boy.
Oh no, not yet, Tofu. You need to keep your safe distance as Grandma will be in quarantine. She just traveled on a public transport. I don't understand what you're saying, Tia. What is quarantine? Well, I will tell you everything in a while, Tofu. Don't you worry. This is an important topic to be discussed. Where is our house help? I also saw the empty roads from my window. There is something odd. Do you know what is it? Yes, Tofu, that's what I'm going to tell you. It's a lockdown. A lockdown? Yes, but first, let's go buy some milk and groceries. I'll explain you on the way what a lockdown is. But where is the milkman? Doesn't he deliver milk to our door? Oh yes, he does. But I told you, it's a lockdown, so no one will be coming home for such services. However, we can go to a public place only if it's necessary to buy essentials. But first, we need to understand and take all the precautions too. Come, let's go. You'll get to know everything in a while. Now, what's this for? Tofu, this is a mask. It can protect us from the coronavirus or COVID-19 if we are careful and responsible with it. Bye, Grandma. We'll be back in a while. Take rest. Bye-bye, Grandma.
Bye, kids. Stay safe and come home soon.
Tia, please tell me quickly, what is the coronavirus? It's a type of virus. Viruses are tiny particles that we can't see with our naked eyes. They're not visible to us but can make us sick. It can stick to our lungs and our lungs help us breathe. So people who get the monster virus might experience difficulty in breathing. They might also experience tiredness, constant fever, body pain or cough. Oh my God, that sounds painful. What happens when we get the monster virus? Well, generally, young people and children are able to recover because mostly the immune system is strong enough to fight the virus. Sadly, grandparents or older people may get very sick with the virus as their immune system might be weak. That is why we need to take care of ourselves and everybody around us to stop the monster virus from spreading. Yes, we need to be responsible to protect ourselves and everybody around us. But Tia, how does the virus get to us? Does it have legs to walk to us or does it have wings? Oh no, Tofu. Thankfully, the virus can't walk or fly to us. The virus needs our help to get into our body. Suppose someone with the monster virus sneezed into their hands and touched this railing. The virus can get from their hands to the railing. Another person comes in and touches the railing on the same place and gets the virus on their hands. That is why it is important to continuously wash or sanitize our hands after touching anything, especially in a public place. That's how the virus spreads from one person to the other if we are not careful enough. Then I must not touch anything, and if I do, I'll sanitize or wash my hands. Correct, Tia? That's right, Tofu. What is the gatekeeper doing, Tia? He's checking our temperature to see if we have fever. We should stay home if we experience any such symptoms. Okay. What's on the floor? These are labels to keep distance. Social distancing is very important. We should avoid being in closed spaces, and we should always keep a distance of at least 6 feet or 2 arms length from people while we're in a public place. That's why I stopped you from hugging Grandma, as she just traveled on a public transport and there might be a chance of getting infected with the virus. The virus takes maximum 14 days to start attacking our body. Hence, Grandma will be under quarantine for at least 14 days before we can meet her freely. Okay, I will maintain social distancing. Why are we doing that? Because I exchanged money at the grocery store. Exchanging money can be a big source for the spread of the monster virus. After all, prevention is better than cure. Yes, Tia, prevention is definitely better than cure. You must not touch your face, Tofu. The virus gets into your body through your eyes, nose, or mouth. You should always keep your mask on in a public place and avoid touching it too. Thanks, Tia. I'll keep that in mind for sure. Hello, Tofu. Hi, Tia. Hi, Grandma. Tofu, keep your shoes in the shoe rack and change into your slippers. Then wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water for 20 seconds. We must not wear the shoes that we wore outside. Right, Tia. I'll do that immediately. Tia, how will I know if it's been 20 seconds already? Well, you can count to 20 with 1 second pause. Or even better, you can sing the birthday song twice. Yeah, I'll sing the birthday song. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tofu. Happy birthday to you. For your favorite rhymes, stories, and more, join Kids Hut family. Subscribe here.